Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset LG Smart TV. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon on our remote, then scroll down to all of the settings, enter them, and here we want to go for the general, then system. Inside there should be reset to initial settings, and you can click on OK to perform factory reset. So there's the text imported resetting will delete all of your account settings and installed apps. This action cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? Now we can choose to reset all. That means all of the settings and everything will be wiped, or reset all except network settings. And in this case, I'm gonna reset all, which will basically factory reset our device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.